I will show you how I cleaned these headlights and went from this to this. First and very important step is to mask around the headlight. You don't want your paint scratched. I start dry sanding with 600 grit because the headlight is in pretty bad condition and it has something hard spilled on it. I have no idea what it is. It really depends on which grit you start. If the headlight is 2K clear coated, you might need to start even lower. If the headlight is in fair condition, you can start with 800 or higher. Look at all the dust flying around. You don't want to be breathing that. Use a mask when dry sanding. You can see where the old and yellow coating is. I get that off, so the result in the end will be a lot better. Otherwise, you will have a yellowish tint. I switched to wet sanding with 600 grit because I ran out of sandpaper for dry sanding. I finished taking out the yellow coating. I am cutting the sanding because I don't want the video to get too long. Now move to 800 grit. For the best result, you want to sand in the opposite direction from the previous grit. Make sure to cover all the scratches you created from the 600 grit. Usually, each sanding step takes around 3 to 5 minutes. First step might be longer, depending on how bad the headlight is. Once you are done with 800, move to 1200. Not making huge jumps in grits makes the sanding easier. Switch the sanding direction again. Switching the direction helps you to track the progress of the sanding and prevents missing spots. This is the last sanding step. It is with 2000 grit. I am using a medium compound and pad and it works well in my case. You can go higher grit if you're using finer compound. Okay, it's time to polish the headlights and see if we did a good job sanding. Apply 4 to 5 dots of compound on the pad and spread it around the headlight. Start polishing on low speed to avoid flinging the compound and making a mess. Once you have it spread, go ahead and turn up the speed a bit. Keep the machine moving to avoid burning the lens. I am speeding up the video to save you some time. When you are done with polishing, carefully peel the masking tape. Clean off the lens to prepare it for the last step. Now you want to put some protection on the lens to make it last longer. In this case, I am using wax. With this method, the result lasts 1 to 2 years in my experience. You can reapply the wax once every couple months to help it last longer. It is better to use a headlight-specific clear coat or to wrap it with a protective tint. I don't like 2K clear coats. It might last a bit longer, but it hardens too much and it cracks the lens. Also, it is a pain to remove it from the headlight when you have to do it over again. At the end of the day, you are the one who decides which option better suits you. One thing is certain though, nothing is permanent. Here I applied the wax with circular motions and waited for it to haze up. Then buff it out and clean up the car from the wet sanding. And we are done. You can't get a finish like this with toothpaste or baking soda. I hope you learned something from the video, and if you did, you can subscribe and like the video. Share your thoughts in the comments. I will gladly appreciate any advice you can give me. Thanks for watching.